In a small village school, there was a boy named Ayan, always sitting on the last bench, not because he wanted to, but because no one wanted to sit with him. His clothes were torn, his shoes didn't match, and he spoke less. Teachers thought he was lazy, students called him useless. One day, a new teacher arrived. She noticed Ayan quietly scribbling something on a torn paper. She walked to him and asked, "What are you doing?" Ayan hid the paper, embarrassed. She gently took it and was stunned. It was a blueprint, a rough design of a water purifying machine made using junk materials. "Who taught you this?" she asked. "No one," Ayan replied. "I just think maybe this can help my village. We don't have clean water." The teacher didn't laugh, she didn't ignore, she believed. She brought him old science books, encouraged him, and entered his idea into a national science fair without telling him. Weeks later, a black car stopped outside the school. A man in a suit stepped out with a camera crew. "Where is Ayan?" he asked. Everyone laughed. "Last bench," someone pointed. The man walked up and said, "You have been selected from 5,000 students. Your idea can save thousands of lives." Silence, shock, then tears. The same hands that once pushed him aside now clapped for him. The same students who mocked him asked for his autograph. Never underestimate the quiet one on the last bench. Sometimes the most silent minds carry the loudest ideas. All they need is someone to believe.